Experiencing SIM card problems with Metro by T-Mobile? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues, starting with insertion. First, ensure proper insertion. Use the SIM eject tool to open the tray. Place the SIM correctly with the notched edge first, then firmly reinsert the tray. For activation, use the Metro app, website, or call 611. Verify your IMEI and select a plan. Delays often stem from network congestion or incorrect APN settings. Ensure yours is fast, metropcs.com. A common fix is restarting your device and cleaning the SIM with a soft cloth. If issues persist, try the SIM in another phone to rule out hardware problems. Remember, Metro SIMs are typically unlocked. If you're still stuck, move on to the next steps for SIM swapping and advanced fixes. When swapping SIMs to a new phone or converting to eSIM, always back up your contacts first to prevent data loss during the transfer. For physical SIM swaps, download and use the Metro SIM Toolkit app. This helps transfer data safely. Note that Metro prefers nano SIM and eSIM formats over older ones. To convert to eSIM, visit Metro's portal and scan the provided QR code. This activates the digital SIM quickly and avoids physical card problems. If you see SIM not recognized, especially on Android like Samsung Galaxy, reset network settings via Settings menu, then reactivate the SIM to resolve the issue. Metro provides a SIM swap guarantee for free replacements of defective cards within 48 hours. Also, ensure your device firmware is up to date to prevent problems. If problems persist, they could be due to regional network glitches or device incompatibilities. Note that Metro prefers nano SIM and eSIM over older formats. If these fixes don't resolve the issue, contact Metro support, as hardware problems like bent pins may need a replacement SIM card.